Hi, everybody. Christy Martin
and Joe
here at Martin's Floral and Home Decor in Springfield, Missouri, bringing you some new fall, which Joe and I have got all over the store, so there will be further videos. So join us to look at some of the new stuff in case you are making arrangements. Many of you were in this weekend asking for products, so here we go. Now, first of all, of course, sunflowers. We are going to have in many styles, many varieties, all of the colors. We also have a blue and a mauve if you happen to want to pull that into your little color scheme. Last year, everybody was asking for cream cattails. Cream, I would have ever thought of that really. But all of this beautiful green and cream that you all are doing, these are gorgeous. And they've got great greenery in there, or you can clip it out and just use the cattail. All these little spirals and grasses. Magnolia, this was very popular last year. We did bring it in again because it's a great mix. It's got a good filler and it's got good thick and thin both actually. Great shading on, once again, Maddie talking about the leaves. Definitely good shading. And of course, good old fashioned wheat. Very inexpensive for this huge bush. One of our best sellers every year, but that's gorgeous.
Good color.
Your turn.
So we have obviously some mums, the popular ones for the fall. Different colors, obviously. A lot of nice little pieces in between.
I like that.
I like the little curly cute guy. But it's a smaller mum as far as they go.
But it's really pretty.
Yeah, no, it's a nice bush. Again, we've got the 3 different colors. So, and then this pretty bush down here. I love the shading on that one and the darker greenery with it. So,
I'm just popping in behind. When she was talking about this, there was a bride in here this weekend. She was actually going to use this for her bouquet to add, and she added some beautiful big dahlias that we had that were open. And I went and grabbed her some greenery, and we just started popping in greenery. And it's funny how quick it changes things. But I'm like, Joe, that's got a lot of good uses to it.
Yep. Very good. And then we have our Bells of Ireland. So different shades for your fall arrangements and whatnot.
That's a great height flower.
Yeah, it's a taller one, so that's definitely a good deal. So again, and then here's the darker shade of it. Or not.
Yeah. It's close. They're so close. Those two are so close. But we got all 3 anyway.
Yeah.
I like
a variety of fall that you can mix in with your arrangements. So,
and then if you need back to a mixed bush. This is one, and we've carried this for a couple of seasons because we like the colorations on it. And even for memorial piecework, this is one of our favorite bushes. It also makes a beautiful cone, and I literally just popped that flower off there, which is nice. We're going to stand here, and we're going to show you us sticking it back on here. But it may not be off of here.
Where is it?
I don't know. Okay. Thanks.
Delegate.
So anyway, but we love that line. We bring it back in because so many of you like it. It is here, just so you know, the production people. This is a different take on the wheat. I think it's real pretty. And honestly, we sell this one year round now. We try to get enough of it. A lot of the brides are using it in their bouquets, the real natural look. And so we really do like that one. A pretty take on a cattail. It's shaded. Good shades, great greenery. That's great, just thrown in a pot. A lot of people like to just throw that stuff right in their little antique vase. And once again, a really good filler. Cream and this little orange shade. Got a kick of yellow in the background, so it will give you a little bit of a pop. But it is kind of funny. It's just neat how when you pull these fillers, and of course the design shop, Cherry loves this kind of filler because it just pops. It looks so different. Well, I don't know, maybe this guy. And then... But these are like those little tiny foam balls. But the minute you take it in, then it just goes a whole different direction. Gives you some height and a little bit of natural filler. We do sell a lot of this year round. So we try to keep a lot of this. All right, Joe, take it away for the final 2.
Okay, so spoon mums.
I like the name of that. It does look like a little spoon.
But, very bright, vibrant colors for you in that respect.
That's one of my favorites.
I like the variation. The shading on that's very nice as well. Reminds me of kind of a starburst.
Yeah, it does. It does. Yeah. Like those spring summer mums that we have. I love the colors.
Here's a nice little mix for you. A little bit of everything.
I just noticed it had that little guy in there. Yeah. I forgot about that. I like that. And if you just pop some different shades in there.
I was going to say, a different color and maybe some of your filler on there. And
I like
round it out really well. And pom-pom mums.
Those are fun.
These are real popular.
And we sell a lot of those. And I don't know what y'all are doing with them, but boy, we sell a lot of those.
Well, and it's got a little filler in it already, so it gets you started there.
And that's kind of a delicate filler. Yeah. So I like the way.
One, it's a nice little small piece to fill in those little.
Great for boutonnieres. If you're doing fall boutonnieres, we did last year. I remember Gal did a whole bunch of these. That particularly greenery. I'm going to grab that again.
Okay. Well, and while she's doing that, here's our freesia. So again, the different shades.
Good colors on it.
Very good colors. Nice shading.
This greenery, and I know I show this to y'all that see the videos and follow them, but the bride consultants, everybody loves these. All the brides love these. But even just popping a little bit, you know, with a little greenery in your background, little tiny piece of ribbon. It's very simple.
Good.
Yeah. If the guys don't want a big rose, something like that. So, but there is more. We're checking in more over there. Joe's got more over here. We will be coming back to you with more videos. Have a great week and weekend, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
See ya.